Hello. All right, so I'm going to go over the video, the SEL for Parents video. The first question was, what did I think of the video? I really liked the video. I liked the information that it gave about the social aspect and what kids go through at school. And the ones that don't really know how to express their social or emotional self, I like how they kind of went into depth about what parents should do, what the school administration should do, what teachers should do. I liked how they talked about that. So what resonated with me was when they talked about these kids are our future. And when we send them out into the world, we need to make sure that they are going out there understanding what may happen and the social aspect of it, and learning how to express themselves or communicate with others or make compliments to others. So I really liked that. What is a caregiver's role in the social and emotional development of children, and how can caregivers do this? So caregivers are often the parents of the child. So children want to feel loved and accepted, encouraged, and also encouraged. So as a parent, you should connect with your children and be able to make that connection with them. And when you send them to school, they should be able to, like they talk about in the video, they should be able to, when there's conflict, be able to handle that conflict rather than crying or going home to mom to tell mom to solve the problem for you. They should be able to have the skills to be able to do that by themselves. So I think that's really important. What's the school role in the social emotional development of children? So the school's role is, like they said, the teacher is really the first parent that they have. And so that teacher has to make that connection with them and be able to have that, not friendship, but that relationship, that teacher-student relationship. And it really goes a long way, because then they are able to help them long-term. And I feel like our school does this also, because I feel like they try to make a good connection with us and help us, such as mental health issues or suicide. They try to really help. And so I feel like that's really good. The community's role in the social and emotional development is, when we send our children out there in the world, how is the community going to treat our children, and how is it going to affect them? And I feel like our community does this, but I feel like also we don't at the same time. And I feel like maybe we need to work on it more. Having your kids just be ready for the world is number one. And in the social and emotional development stages, they have to have those concrete situations that are given to them, and they know what to do with it. So overall, I really liked the video, and it was really good. So thank you.